Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a SIM card on your iPhone. First, understand that iPhones can use either a physical nano SIM or a digital eSIM. Locate the small SIM tray on the right side of your device, usually near the power button. Before you begin, always ensure your iPhone is completely powered off to prevent any potential damage or data loss during the process. This simple step helps ensure a smooth setup. To insert a physical SIM, find the small hole on the SIM tray. Insert the provided SIM ejector tool or a small paperclip into this hole and push gently until the tray pops out. Carefully place your nano SIM card into the tray, ensuring the gold contacts face down and the notched corner aligns perfectly. Then, slide the tray back into your iPhone until it sits flush and clicks into place. If you are using an eSIM, the process is entirely digital. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on Cellular, and then select Add eSIM. You will typically be given two options. Either scan a QR code provided by your mobile carrier or enter the activation details manually. Follow the clear on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This usually takes just a few moments to provision your new digital SIM. After inserting your physical SIM or activating your eSIM, power on your iPhone. Once it boots up, check the top right corner of your screen for network signal bars. To confirm everything is working, try making a quick test call or sending a text message. If you encounter any issues, such as no service, try restarting your iPhone. If problems persist, contact your mobile carrier for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.